Got up sort of early and left Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. 1 second. Ahmedabad. Yeah, we left Ahmedabad and yeah, we've been on the road for a few hours now. We've just pulled up for coffee and breakfast. Not sure what these guys are, but I'll just have one. He said they were pretty good. Today we're going to try and do about 337 kilometers, I think it is, to a town called Barmer, or Barmer. And I don't know if there's a good light here. Town called Barmer, which is about 150 kilometers south of Jaisalmer, the finish line for the Rickshaw Run. We hope to get there tomorrow. The official closing party is on Sunday, tomorrow is Saturday, so a day early we'll get there. Hopefully we'll get to watch the McGregor and Mayweather fight. Out here it's showing Sunday morning at about 9:30ish. The main event should be. So if everything goes to plan, we'll be able to watch the fight. We'll get there tomorrow in the afternoon or early afternoon. We'll be able to chill out. And there's already the team who won has already won. They've been there. They've been at the finish line for about 5 days now. So, but I don't know. I don't think anyone else has arrived. So they've been there by themselves for 5 days, just exploring Jaisalmer. Pretty funny actually. It's Tony and the crew, and their team is called Monkey Magic. These are the guys here, Monkey Magic. These guys have pole position. Now these guys went through all the qualifying heats, and they're top of the list. And they're cheap. 3 English fellas. And I remember I met them the first night they were there in Kochi, got talking to them, and they were just dead set. All they wanted to do was win this rally, and it turns out that they did. They won it by about like 6 days or something, so they must have just gunned it there. I'll have a bit of a chat to them when we get there, but yeah, I think most teams will be rocking up tomorrow, and there'll probably be some kind of pre-party tomorrow night. But then the actual official party's on Sunday. So I know there's a few teams that are broken down at the moment that are close, and there's a team actually still stuck in Mumbai. As far as I know, they're the last team, well, they're the furthest behind team, the losing team at the moment. Apparently they got rickshaw problems and they're just having difficulty getting all the parts and everything sorted. And there's another couple of teams in what's it called? Pudupai or something like that, Pudupai, and yeah, they have to wait till tomorrow, so then they got to do like a massive day tomorrow to try and get there for Saturday. But yeah, most teams should be rocking up Saturday, if not early Sunday. I'm gonna leave you there and get stuck into me breakfast and me coffee. Hopefully we'll make it to Barmer tonight, this afternoon with no problems. Al's just checking over the clutch, and we've still got a bit of an engine leak there, so we've been topping up this engine oil every like half a day. So twice a day we're topping it up. Hopefully we get there with no dramas.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Is it from you are our guest.
Thank you.
From India.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Yeah.
Your finished glass.
Beautiful. We'll use that tonight. when we get to the hotel. No, thank you. What was your name?
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Rajesh. Your name? I am Alex.
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 Okay.
Lovely to meet you.
Aaron is
Okay,
mine.
one photo with both you.
Yes.
Yes,
definitely.
yes.
Yep.
No.
Manon.
So we're just driving along, and there's a bit of a hold up here. It looks like there's been some serious sort of accident. We haven't had it. We're just walking over to have a bit of a squeeze now. Oh yeah, it is. It's leaking too. Yeah. Alright, so a fuel truck has gone over and it's leaking fuel everywhere, so we're getting the fuck out of here. Yeah, I don't know if anyone's hurt or not. I didn't really get to see. But yeah, I'm not sticking around. If there's a fuel truck and we're parked up right next to a fuel truck too.
I'd say let's flush it home. Push it back, man. Let's go. Let's get the fucking go.
Alright, so we're getting the fuck out of here.
That was pretty crazy. As said, we saw there was a bit of a commotion going on the side of the road, so we thought we'd stop and check it out, and there was a truck on the side, and we got down there and it looked like it was definitely leaking of fluid. A lot of like petrol trucks on the road and that around here, so didn't want to take any risks, just got the fuck out of there. We're back on the road now. A bit worried there for a while, like none of the trucks in front of us were moving and we're kind of boxed in there right next to another fuel tanker, so yeah, I hope everyone's alright. Yeah, it didn't look great, it was right off the side of the road, but yeah, hopefully we hear that things are okay. Alright, so we're cruising along on the way to Barmurda, where we're trying to go tonight, and
yeah.
we gotta go
Alright.
swimming.
Yep. Yeah. It's okay?
So yeah, there's just a little bit of water there. Might just cruise in and make sure that it's all good. I'll watch this truck anyway and see how deep it gets.
Oh, he's putting his jeans up.
This man's got the right idea. He's putting his jeans up, so it must be alright. So it's what?
He's going for it.
It's about what, two-thirds of the way up the truck wheels.
Yeah. It's a good couple of feet.
It's gonna come in here.
You put the funny stuff there, so
We should check those wires, make sure they're high enough.
yeah, that's they're insulated.
Alright, so that's about 2/3 of the way up the truck wheels. So I think it's definitely going to come in the rickshaw, but we should be alright. We'll give it a red hot go. The truck driver there just gave us a signal to stay in the middle of the road, so we'll see how we go.
Yeah, we're going for it.
Hey man, you going? Yes. Yeah, all good? Yes. Cool.
Let's go.
This go, yeah, you go.
Okay.
You go.
And here we go. So as is showing everyone the drone, we've got quite an audience now. We're right on the edge of the water, so yeah, this is brilliant.
Hello, sir.